slow performance, buffering in my videos, choppy playback, lag on the home screen. These are some of the most common problems that people have on their Amazon devices. But we can see on my device, moving around, navigating on the home screen, clicking on things, everything is just super responsive. And the reason for that is I'm now using two applications to just supercharge my Firestick. Both applications are absolutely free and they really will give you a massive performance boost on all of your devices. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now the first application we're going to use to speed up our device is the updated background apps and process list. Now, this was updated just a few weeks ago, and one of the key benefits of this application is it now finds even more applications running in the background, which you can then close, but it also now works on the second generation Fire TV Cube. Now, as you guys know, the second generation Fire TV Cube runs Android 9, and the background apps and tasks application has not worked on this device for a very long time. Now to get this application, I can just go to Find, go to Search, and just type in background. And there we go, we can see this, so background apps and process list. If I now click on that, and this will now download directly onto your device. Now the great thing is you can actually follow this process on your Android TV devices as well. So similarly on your Android TV Play Store, you can find this application and follow the rest of the steps in this video. Okay, let's open this up. In fact, before I open this up, just have a guess and leave a comment. How many applications do you think I have running in the background on my Fire TV Cube? Well, let's open that up. We can see it does an initial scan of my device. Okay, so you also have the option that you want to launch this on boot because it really is a great way for you to free up your memory. Let's just turn that off for now though and click on Got It. And I have 55 applications running in the background. And would you believe it, guys, I actually rebooted this cube a couple of hours ago. It just shows you that even if you reboot your device, certain applications do spawn processes in the background which then end up consuming that valuable memory. And the more memory that's consumed on your device, that really will have a negative effect on your device's performance, particularly with video buffering. Okay, so we can see all these things are running in the background, all of them consuming memory and potentially some CPU cycles. Now the great thing is I can go to the top here. Now if you want to, you can just say I want to close multiple, which means I now have to select which applications I want to close. But in most cases, because you're trying to flush out all of these applications running in the background, I'll just go to the top here and select close all applications. Let's now click on that. And what this will now do is will take you to the settings of each application that was open in the background. Now with one click, I can click on Force Stop, then press back on the remote, which then goes to the next application. I can also click on Force Stop. Now I'm pressing back on the remote and clicking Force Stop and basically just going through each application and stopping it. Now in case you're wondering why can't we just click on one button and stop all of these at the same time, unfortunately that's to do with the permissions or the lack of permissions we have on this device. So one application cannot force close all other applications at the same time. Now of course if we had root access or admin access we could do that, but as there's no easy way for us to do that, we have to do it like this. So again, just Force Stop, press back on the remote, down 2 times, Force Stop. So once you do it a few times you can actually do it quite quickly. So back, down, stop, back, down, stop. So let me just speed up the video a bit just so I can show you the end. And there we have it, guys. We now have no applications open in the background. And in fact, if I do a quick refresh, which is the last button here, no applications are running, guys. So you can imagine on a device that had more than 50 applications running in the background, clearing all of them out now will have a massive effect to your performance. And we can see now if I press the home key, it really has, sped things up, opening applications, moving around, clicking on things. As those things are not running in the background anymore, my device is definitely performing better. If I just go back into that one more time, go back to refresh, just to confirm that nothing has started in the background. So that's the first application I recommend on your device to give it that performance boost. Now for the second one, if you press the home key, and if you now just open up Downloader, and we're now going to make a connection to my website, which is just tdoctoruk.com, or you can type in the short code, which is just 53402. Let's type that in and click on go. And this will take you straight to my website. And if any of you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment #speed, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. Now once you get to my site, if you click on the hamburger menu, which is the one with the 3 lines, and click on tutorials, this will take you to my tutorials list, and the tutorial we're looking for is the tdoctoruk Speed Toolbox 2021. So let's scroll down, and we can see just under that, a couple of lines down, we can see here it is, a tdoctoruk Firestick Speed Toolbox, but you can also use this on your Android TVs or really any Android device. Let's open that up. Let's now scroll down, and it basically talks that we have 3 animation scales that we can modify to speed up the animations on our device. And a key message here, which is the animation duration scale, do not set that to 0, because if you do, then your cursor will just jump from corner to corner. So I did mention in my previous video, but some of you still got caught out with that issue. So once again, if you go down here, just under the step-by-step instructions, here's the warning here, so don't set it to 0 if you do use the virtual mouse. And let's now install this tdoctoruk Speed Toolbox. Scroll down and click on the green download button, and this will download the application directly onto your device. It's a very small application. I can click on install. Let's now click on open. Now the default values on all of your devices should be set to 1, and that means you will see some kind of animation when you are navigating on the home screen, or for example when you long press the home key. I can let go, because that then slowly appears. But for example now, if I change these to 0, 0, and this one, I mean you can go with 0.5, but as I said before, don't set this to 0. So now when I click on save values, now when I long press the home key, you can see there's just no animation. It doesn't fade in or fade out, it just instantly pops. Now particularly on your older Fire Sticks or the ones that don't have much RAM, making this change will have a massive impact to your performance, especially on the home screen, because now when you press the home key, you see there's no animation or waiting going through each of these lines, because those settings have now been turned off, and because everything just appears instantly, helping you really maximize the performance of your device. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I just want to say a big shout out to all of my new subscribers and the old ones. I really appreciate your support. Do leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about these 2 applications, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.